This video guide is about removing malicious pop-up windows coming from the website Bellburnblood-9.live. It's a fake alert that tries to force you into sharing your personal details. For instance, the pop-up is presented as a fake survey that promises a lot of gifts, for instance, some new iPhone or Samsung phone or some other top gadget. In reality, the pop-up says that to win that prize, you're supposed to pass through some primitive survey. However, at the end of the survey, you'll be told to enter your name, email address, and possibly other private information. The problem is that this data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally and used illegally, for instance, to send massive spam to your email account. I strongly advise you not to tolerate these pop-ups. If you see them, ignore them. However, you should not neglect fixing your Mac. It could be that the Mac is infected by some adware type app that may display some strange ads, pop-ups, and forward your browser to many unfamiliar pages. I recommend that if you find such suspicious adware, move it to the trash. Also, I suggest that you perform the automatic checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Then, when the software is downloaded, you need to wait until the antivirus database is updated. And finally, click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free research of your Mac will begin. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threats found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific threat. How to remove each threat manually and for free. You may click on this icon that means show in Finder, and you may click on it, and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected threat to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.